RCG, good afternoon. First question po, it's what do you think happened in the series?
Yung siguro yung communication about let's do this before this happens. Yung kulang sa plano. Para more reaction. Pero sa una, meron silang plano. By the end, parang nahalo-halo yung plano ulit. Tapos kaya na maging magulo yung comms. Tapos siguro sa discard din na ano ba dapat kailangan gawin sa itong moment. Maayos naman yung overall gameplay. Kaso, yung sa mga ingat, yung mga sa out agad dapat, yun siguro wala ka na. It was one of our crucial mistakes today.
Coach, for the first time since season 10, at this stage in the playoffs, in the league, wala yung RSG in the top 4. Kasi it's always been RSG, Echo, Bren, and Blacklist always been in the top 4. But for the first time for this season, hindi kayo nasa top 4. What do you think is happening in the team? We're not used to seeing RSG in this kind of position. Considering this team is not new, relatively has been together for some time.
It's not fine looking at the standing right now. At the same time right now, it's week 6, right?
6.
Week 6, diba? So, 6, 7, 8, last 3 weeks left. So, and then we have counting games pa left. Tapos, we didn't secure any playoffs pa. And then Blacklist is on the same points with us. So, yes, it is pressuring. But at the same time, it's fine. Because all they need to do is they just need to find the right, being in the same page before something happens. Para hindi magulo yung mga crucial moments. That's the only thing. And if you can fix that, all goods naman kami dito.
It was the same answer for last one. It's really the comms.
Comes.
For Iran, what do you think happened sa laro ko ngayon ng araw?
Yung siguro sa siguro puro miscoms ng abilidad that time. Yun lang, siguro puro miscoms. Pero di ko rin din.
Ano sa tingin mo yung nagko-contribute sa factor ng miscommunication among the team players?
Nahirapan kami i-execute yung plano na kapag di kami nagkakaintindihan ng plano.
Ako for after facing Blacklist now again, but from based on your previous match or series with them, how would you assess Owen's performance?
Okay lang naman. Kasi natutulungan na rin sila ng bago niya. Ako rin din lang sila. Para sa akin, nag-improve sila sa team na alam nila kung paano sa mga match sa objective nila. Hindi sila nagkakapara.
So,
Para hindi na nabibig ni chemistry.
So unlike before, mas may chemistry na yung Blacklist.
Like, question saan kayo pinaka-nahirapan sa match against Blacklist?
Execution siguro.
Is there a particular player na talagang makulit sa Blacklist na?
Wala naman.
Any other questions, guys? Or ba?
Ito si Drew.
Here.
Sige na. Guys, kamusta yung adjustment nyo sa recent patch updates natin?
Okay naman. We adjusted well naman sa meta. So, wala namang problema.
Are there any exclusives, guys?
Exclusive daw.
I think that's it.
Thank you po.
Tomorrow.